to my channel. Today I'm going to be trolling my friends really hard. I kind of did half of it already, but there's actually a stray cat in my backyard right now. Literally under the chair. Here, let me show you guys. Look. Look. That is just a stray cat. And I'm pranking my friends. S'mores. S'mores, it's his name. I got a cat today. Definitely. Yo, this is perfect. Oh. Hello? Hello.
Do you mind telling me what's outside of your? Do you mind telling me what's in your backyard?
It's a cat. It's my cat.
You bought it?
Yeah, we got a cat today.
S'mores. Eli, when I come to your house, I'm gonna eat him.
To be fair, it's more of Dominic's idea.
What?
It was more of Dominic's idea, but
The name?
Dominic wanted the cat.
Oh. How many pets do you have now?
Like 6, 7, actually.
And then you're gonna get 2 frogs. Wait, you're gonna get 2 snakes, right?
No, 2 frogs.
And then maybe a snake.
Probably not a snake until I grow up.
Oh. Wait for a second.
Okay.
He got a cat, 2 dogs, 2 frogs, and 2 fish. He's gonna get another 2 frogs, and then Eli,
Yeah.
is the cat playful or is it just lazy?
He's lazy. I mean, he'll play, but he's not a big of a get up and go play. He's more of a lay down. Wow, whoa, wow, whoa, you know?
How is Buddy and the cat?
What?
Did Buddy meet the cat?
The dogs haven't met the cat yet. They've been inside.
Imagine you wake up in the morning and then you see you see that Bentley is burying the cat.
That'd be sad. Poor Dominic.
And then he'll be like, "Here, have a bag of Doritos," and say nothing. That'll be sad.
Yeah.
But I think whenever they meet, I think you need to hold one of the dogs just in case.
Yeah.
If it's Bentley, but if it's Bentley, he might drag you around.
Yeah, probably. I'm calling it.
Eli.
Yeah.
I gotta go. I'll call you back later.
Okay. So yeah, guys, I just pranked my friends. They believed me. Anyway, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys in a brand new video. Bye.